Hello kids. Kids, first we learn the colors name, then we write ABC, A to Z. Red color, red color, green color, green color, purple color, purple color, orange color, orange color, blue color, blue color. Now we write A to Z. A for apple. B for baby. B for baby. C for candy. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. E for eye. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hat. I for igloo. I for igloo. J for juice. K for kitten. K for kitten. L for lion. M for mouse. M for mouse. N for necklace. N for necklace. O for ox. O for ox. P for potato. P for potato. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for uniform. U for uniform. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for York. Y for York. Z for zoo. Now we revise it. A, B, C, D, E, F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.